Hello everyone. Today we will have a list of interview questions on cricket. What is the overall length of the bat? 38 inches. In which country did cricket originate? Southeast England around 18th century. Then the next question is, what is the height and diameter of stump? Height 71.12 centimeter. Diameter not less than 1.38 inch and not more than 1.5 inch. What is the weight and circumference of cricket ball? Weight between 156 to 162 grams. Circumference not less than 8.81 inch and not more than 9 inch. What is the weight of bat? Between 1.1 and 1.23 kg, made of English willow wood, thickness between 38 to 42 mm. What is the length and width of the pitch? 22 yards and 10 feet. Who are the three best cricketers in the world? Sir Don Bradman, Sachin Tendulkar, Sir Garfield Sobers. Where is cricket most popular? England, Australia and India. Which color of the ball is used in day and night matches? It is pink. Which Indian players have hit six sixes in 1 over? Ravi Shastri, Yuvraj Singh. Who is father of cricket? William Gilbert Grace of England. Who is the highest wicket taker in ODI cricket? How many wickets in how many matches? M. Muralidharan, 534 wickets in 350 matches. Who has scored fastest 50 and in how many balls? A.B. de Villiers in 16 balls. When was the first ODI played and between which teams? England and Australia in January 1971. How many ODIs have been played till now? Around 4,000. Which team has played the maximum ODIs? India 981 followed by Australia 942. Who has scored the fastest century and in how many balls in ODIs? A.B. de Villiers in just 31 balls. How many runs and centuries Sachin Tendulkar has scored in ODIs? 18,426 runs and 49 centuries. Who holds the record of fastest double century in the ODI? Chris Gayle in 138 balls against Zimbabwe at Canberra in 2014-15. Who is the leading run scorer and century maker in ODI cricket in cricket history? Sachin Tendulkar. When was the IPL launched and how many editions of this tournament have been organized? Launched in 2008, 12 editions till 2020. How many teams are included in the IPL and who has won the 12th edition? 8 teams, Mumbai Indians. Who is the captain who played most IPL finals? Mahendra Singh Dhoni played 8 finals. Who are the only 2 players who have scored more than 5,000 runs in IPL so far? Virat Kohli 5,412 runs and Suresh Raina 5,368 runs. How many types of cricket are played? Test match, T20, T20I, ODI, first class cricket, limited over cricket. At international level, only test match, ODI and T20I are played. T20 is the most popular format. ICC Cricket World Cup International Championship of ODI organized by ICC every 4 years. Then ICC Champions Trophy ODI Cricket Tournament organized by ICC, second in importance to World Cup. In the Indian Premier League Professional T20 contested by 8 teams representing 8 different cities in India, founded by BCCI in 2008. Then NatWest Series ODI held in England since 2000, organized by National Westminster Bank. ACC Asia Cup Men's ODI and T20 established in 1983 when the Asian Cricket Council was founded. Commonwealth Bank Series, the Australian Tri-Series contested by Australia and 2 touring teams. Border Gavaskar Trophy, named after Australia's Allan Border and India's Sunil Gavaskar, the first 2 cricketers to have scored over 10,000 runs in their respective careers, played between India and Australia. It is organized by ICC. T20 World Cup organized by ICC, Ashes Series, Chess Series played between England and Australia, Champions League 2020 international match played between the top teams from major cricketing nations. The term originated in a satirical obituary published in a British newspaper that the cricket had died and the body will be cremated and the ashes will be taken to Australia. This became associated in 1882-83 series played in Australia. The England captain had vowed to regain the ashes. So this is Ashes Trophy. Please buy my book ABC of SSB from Amazon, and you can contact